How to enable or disable show external code on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Ultra, Edge or Plus. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. Then we scroll down all the way down to the bottom. And from here, tap on show external code. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn off. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.